Let's take a quick look at the adaptive wide-angle controls in Photoshop CS6. I'll choose Filter, Convert for Smart Filters to make it non-destructive, and then choose Filter, Adaptive Wide Angle. The way this tool works is by drawing straight lines. Let's go ahead first and define a box region for this sign, which should have nice, precise square corners. There we go. I could shift-click on those individual points to force them to be truly perspective lines that are horizontal and perpendicular. That did a nice job, and I'm just going to draw a few more straight lines to fix things out. I'm going to go along the perceived bottom here and click, and then I could shift-click on that line to force it to be truly horizontal. Now I could tweak that by rotating until it goes green, and that's looking pretty good. I'll finish out the roof here, and that removes some of the distortion caused by the wide-angle lens. There we go. And those are all looking pretty good. Let's just take advantage here for the doorway. A shift click will force that line to be perpendicular, and you see we've done a great job on that image. Unchecking Preview shows you exactly how far the image has been manipulated to get the proper perspective. Now I'm going to adjust the scale up just a little bit. That's looking pretty good. And what I need to do is fill in a few of the gaps. I'll click OK. And the new corrected image is generated. Let's press C for crop and pull in the outside edges a bit. And I'm happy with that, except I want to fill in the missing pieces very quickly. Now we can't use content-aware fill in the Smart Object, so I'm going to duplicate this and then right-click and choose Rasterize to create a flattened copy. That's good. We'll work with that one. And with the layer selected, I could use the magic wand tool to select a region. That looks good. We'll just expand that a bit. And then press Shift Backspace to bring up the filled box and choose Content Aware Fill. It does a nice job of analyzing the surrounding pixels and generating a new texture. I'll do the same over here. And I could even do things like select Transform Selection to adjust it. Shift Delete brings up Content Aware Fill and quickly generates a new texture. Let's just do both of these regions up top. We'll expand those. And Shift Delete to bring up Content Aware Fill. So there you go, the adaptive wide angle feature used to correct some perspective problems, and then Content Aware Fill to add in the missing pieces.